Welcome back to Power BI Helpline. Today we will discuss about mastering sort order in Power BI. We will apply some techniques, and we'll also solve the hidden DAX problems in it. If you are new to the channel, then please subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified. With that, let's check it out. In this report, I have this date table, and I also have created a total sales measure. Let's look into the techniques which people apply to make the fields in a sort order. And then I will show you what is the hidden DAX problem arises while working with such fields and how to solve it. In this visual, month is getting sorted into alphabetical order, but I want this to be in month number order, and for that, I can just select the month name column and click on sort order and select month number. And our visual now will be in the required sort order. Before I show you the problem in this technique, let's apply sort order for month year column. Many times, you may not find a direct column which will help you to apply a sort by, and in that case, you can create a sort helper column, and you need to create additional column to use it as a helper column to sort with. As in this example, I am creating a unique column by using month number and year. You can hide this column in report view, and then sort your column based on this. It is very important to look into the problem in this, because I have seen many people get confused about the unexpected results coming from their DAX expressions. As that you can see, this month year column is now in a proper sort order. Let's now create a rank X measure, and we will create the rank based on the total sales, and see if it is working as expected. And you can see here, my rank X function is not working, and I am getting rank 1 for all the periods. So what is the issue here? In my DAX expression, I have used all selected as usual, but here is the catch. My month year column used here is actually dependent on the helper column which we use to sort this in an order, so I need to include that column as well inside the all selected function. So, I am adding that column as well here inside all selected function. This rank X function was correct, but this was the reason why it was not working as expected. And now, we can see these ranks are visible as expected. If you want to remove rank from the total, you can apply a condition in your DAX expression with as one value function. So if there is one value for month year, then only it will calculate rank. And since at the total level there are more than month year, it won't calculate the rank. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more such interesting solutions in Power BI.